This Windermere Real Estate Whatcom, Incorporated property video is presented by Stauffer. 36 feet on L dock. Great facilities and home to one of the best managed marinas in the PNW. Keyless entry, full service laundry and shower building. Picnic area with outdoor games, barbecue, seating areas. Wonderful marina store with cafe and local artwork displays. Short walk to the inn at Semiahmoo with restaurants, spa and pool amenities. Marina has Wi-Fi, active yacht club, and resurfaced dock. Great place to moor your boat. Slip allows for 38 feet length overall. For more information, review the details below.